I had a sweet tooth, a serious one. It wasn't just a liking for sugary things, it was a full-blown obsession. And I was one blood test away from diabetes. The doctor's words echoed in my mind, a stark warning sign that I couldn't ignore any longer. My love for sweets was about to cost me my health. For as long as I can remember, dessert was my comfort, a constant companion through thick and thin. Birthdays, holidays, late-night snacks, you name it. Every occasion, big or small, was an excuse for a sugary indulgence. But then, one routine checkup changed everything. It was a wake-up call that forced me to confront the reality of my unhealthy habits. My doctor looked me in the eye and said, "You're pre-diabetic." I saw the worry on their face. It was a genuine concern, not just a routine medical observation. I felt it in my gut. A cold wave of fear washed over me as I realized the potential consequences of my choices. Suddenly, every cupcake, every soda, every little treat flashed before my eyes. They weren't just innocent pleasures anymore. They were potential threats to my well-being. I was scared. I was overwhelmed. The thought of giving up my favorite foods seemed impossible. But you know what? I was also determined. I refused to let this diagnosis define me. This isn't a story about giving up. It's about getting smart. It's about finding a way to enjoy life without sacrificing my health. No fad diets, no tasteless food. I wasn't interested in quick fixes or temporary solutions, just real change, one sweet swap at a time. A sustainable approach that would allow me to indulge responsibly. At first, I tried going cold turkey on sugar. I thought that complete abstinence was the only way to tackle the problem. Ugh, big mistake. It was a recipe for disaster. I felt deprived, cranky, and honestly, I wanted to eat even more. The cravings were overwhelming, and I felt like I was constantly fighting an uphill battle. So instead, I got curious. I decided to explore alternative solutions and educate myself about the impact of sugar on my body. I started reading food labels, really reading them, paying close attention to the ingredients and nutritional information. I saw just how much hidden sugar was in everything. It was shocking to discover how prevalent sugar is in processed foods, granola bars, salad dressings, even healthy yogurt. Foods that I thought were good for me were actually loaded with added sugars. But instead of giving up, I started finding new ways to satisfy my cravings. I embarked on a mission to discover healthier alternatives that wouldn't compromise on taste. Here's what worked for me. These are the strategies and substitutions that helped me manage my sweet tooth and improve my health. Swap 1. I ditched the white sugar for natural sweeteners like stevia and monk fruit. Same sweet taste, zero blood sugar spikes. It was a game changer. I could still enjoy sweetness without the negative consequences. Swap 2. When I craved ice cream, I blended frozen bananas with a spoonful of chia seeds and a splash of almond milk. It's creamy, sweet, and you'd never guess it's actually good for you. This simple recipe became my go-to dessert, satisfying my cravings without the guilt. Swap 3. Bakery desserts. I learned to make oatmeal protein cookies at home. 3 ingredients: oats, nut butter, and a handful of dark chocolate chips. No refined sugar, and they're ready in 10 minutes. A quick, easy, and healthy alternative to store-bought cookies. Swap 4. Sugary drinks used to be my weakness. I was addicted to the fizz and the intense sweetness. Now I mix sparkling water with fresh berries or brew cinnamon tea. It's refreshing, guilt-free, and honestly, I don't miss the soda at all. These alternatives provided the same satisfaction without the harmful effects of sugary drinks. And when I wanted something crunchy and sweet, I made my own dark chocolate bark at home. Just melted dark chocolate, some nuts, and dried fruit. Quick, easy, and so satisfying. A customizable treat that allowed me to control the ingredients and sweetness level. At first, it was about the food. I was focused on finding healthier alternatives to my favorite sweets. But soon I noticed other changes. The benefits extended far beyond just my blood sugar levels. My cravings faded. The intense desire for sugary treats began to diminish. My energy came back. I felt more alert and vibrant throughout the day. I started walking more, spending time outdoors, and cooking at home with my family. My lifestyle became more active and connected. Best of all, my blood sugar readings became totally normal. The hard work and dedication had paid off. Now dessert is still a part of my life. I haven't completely eliminated sweets, and I don't intend to. But it's smarter, healthier, and honestly, more enjoyable. I appreciate the flavors and textures even more now that I'm making conscious choices. I realized you don't have to choose between sweet and healthy. You can have both. It's all about balance and making informed decisions. So if you're on this journey too, If you're worried about your health but can't imagine life without dessert, I promise there's hope. You don't have to sacrifice your love for sweets to live a healthy life. One swap at a time, one recipe at a time, you can turn things around. Small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health and well-being. If you want more dessert hacks and sugar-free recipes, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite sweet treat, and how could you give it a healthy twist? Let's brainstorm together and find creative ways to enjoy our favorite desserts without compromising our health. Your second chance is waiting. And yes, it tastes pretty sweet. A life where you can enjoy your favorite treats and feel good about your health.